scenario, whenever there is a requirement from the client to extract the data from any of the pricing condition table, how to extract the data that yesterday I have shown you in the system. So if the client does not give you the condition table number, then what you have to do? You have to do the reverse engineering. You have to go back to the pricing procedure. Find out the pricing condition type and then associated access sequence. Once you find out the access sequence, you can identify the condition table. So that he has given the key combination. Based on the key combination, we can identify the table. Then prefix A to that particular condition table and go to SE16N transaction. There we give the table number and then we will extract the entries whatever are there. Yesterday that I have shown you. The similar way, you need to extract the data at table level at all levels. Maybe customer master data level, company code data level, or sales area data level, or material master data level, sales or sales document data level, VBAK, VBAP, VBEP, any kind of a condition, any kind of a price table where we have to provide the table number in the SE16N, table name or number, and then based on the available number of entries, if the date range is available, we will give the date range and then we will extract the data accordingly. How to extract the data into the Excel sheet, that also I have shown you in the system. So that is what we have seen. Okay, fine. Now pricing, we have seen not only that one, we have not also seen the access sequence. If the exclusive indicator is not set for all the condition types, pricing condition tables, what happens? The system determines the last one. One by one, it will search, and then the final one it will determine. So that whenever there is an exclusive indicator, the system will automatically propose the first one itself if the exclusive indicator is set, if the valid condition record is maintained. For example, if this combination, if you have not maintained the valid condition record, then it will not allow you to create it will go to the next condition record. So we will be doing the valid condition type and valid condition record combination so that we will be able to complete the access sequence. So in this access sequence, if the exclusive indicator is the main point, whenever the exclusive indicator is set, then the system will automatically propose whatever the condition record has been maintained in the first instance itself. Then it saves the time as well as the system's performance. That is what we have discussed in yesterday's class. Also, how the pricing procedure will be determined? It is the combination of sales area, customer pricing procedure, and the document pricing procedure. So we have defined our own pricing procedure as well as the pricing condition type, access sequence, and our own required condition tables in the system. Then what is the meaning of condition table, access sequence? Even Abhishek, you might have seen my material also. Whatever I have written here, more or less it will be equal only. Here I have further simplified and refined it, and I have given the information. Whereas in my material, you can see that condition table is a field of key combination of fields. Okay, group of fields, group of key fields I might have written there. The same thing here also I have written. Condition table, access sequence, condition type, condition record, maintaining the values for the condition type, pricing procedure. So this will work based on the condition technique concept. So now we have to see the functionalities of the pricing condition type PR00. In this scenario, our customized pricing condition type is JAR1. Am I correct? This JAR1 is our customized condition type. Okay. Fine. So now we will be going to the definition part of the or controlling part of the pricing condition type, how the each and every field functionality will work for us. So SPRO. So we have to go to the sales and distribution basic functions. Pricing control, and define condition types. And also I'll go to the one more screen. What was the order yesterday we have created? 20410. So let it be like this. Maintain condition types. Here, whatever we have created our own pricing condition type, that is J or 1. Select this one, that particular condition type, and then this is the one which is required our complete attention now. So this one we know how we have defined the access sequence and how we have placed the condition tables into this particular access sequence and how we have assigned this access sequence to this pricing condition type. Up to this, I think you are all clear how we have done this. Am I correct, Deva?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Now we are going to see the control data 1, group condition, changes which can be made, master data, scales. Up to this, we are very much concerned about this and we have to do that. Fine. Condition classification, condition class. It is the classification of the condition type, whether it is a standard condition type or discount condition type or surcharge condition type or tax condition type. It will decide. If it is B, it is a pricing condition type. If it is D, it is a tax condition type. So that is like our classification of the sales document type and classification of the item category. The similar way here also, the classification of the condition type. That means we are telling the system, this is the functionality of this particular field and you need to behave like that. This is your role and responsibility. Like that we will be telling the system. Calculation type. It is always quantity based. How we will calculate the material.
Hello, sir. Sorry to interrupt.
Hmm.
Sir, if you give your price instead of price, if you give your tax, then what will happen, sir?
Yeah. Vinith, what we do, we are not going to give here. There is a separate condition type for that.
Okay.
So okay.
Okay.
Let me select this one.
Okay. It is just like a sales document, sir.
Yeah.
Like okay.
Yeah, same way we will be having different pricing condition types. Accordingly,
okay.
We will be selecting. Let me select.
Okay.
Everything I will select. So this is our pricing condition type. Let me go to the MWST. Tax condition type. So in the tax condition type, it is taxes. Okay. The system is telling that you have to behave like a taxes only.
Okay.
Condition category. Again, what kind of a condition category it is? So what kind of a role it is going to play? Whether it is a tax, if it is a standard condition type, we won't mention any value over here. However, if it is a tax condition type, then we must have to specify it is tax, the condition category. So if you go to the next screen, MWST, it is taxes. Okay. So this is how we must know the field functionality. We have to compare with the other condition type. So we are telling that system that this is a tax condition type. And we are telling the standard condition type that it is a base price which we have to collect from the customer. And this is a tax condition type which we have to tax the customer. So like that we are telling the system. Calculation type is a quantity, condition category blank for the standard pricing condition type. And rounding rule commercial. It is very simple. For example, what happens when we get the decimal points billing time 25.53, 24.45, 25 point something else, whatever it is. So during that time, if you select commercial, that is blank, that means if it is 25 rupees 45 paise, then it will round it off and it will give you 25 rupees only. If it is 25 rupees 55 paise, then it will round it off to 26 rupees. Am I correct or not?
Yes, sir.
So that is the rounding rule functionality. Even if you go to the F1 also, you can identify the same thing. Structure condition, it is associated with always with the bill of materials, and even bill of materials also sometimes whenever the duplication, you wanted to have the duplications. So A, we can select the condition to be duplicated, or B, accumulation condition. So that means it will accumulate all the values and then it will give the value. But here it is not required, it is always blank. Condition function not required, and this is like a condition technique old. It is based on the condition technique concept. Apart from these functionalities, we have plus or minus. It is, if it is blank, what happens? That means it is coming to us positive, that is revenues to the company. If it is negative, means discount condition type. That means we are giving some amount on the base amount, some amount as a discount on the base amount. For example, if a material costs you around 500 rupees, and whenever the customer enters, extra 10% discount, and that means 50 rupees discount I wanted to give, then what you have to select? Material discount. See, K004, material discount. It is not A, it is always quantity based. Someone has changed it. In the morning, I faced very big issue here. It is C, quantity.
Same problem. Standard order lo anni changes sir.
Yes, you have to copy it to your own and then you have to change it.
Oh no, sir.
So then it is negative. See here, it is negative. That means we are giving discount and that is going from our pocket, company's pocket. Next one is K005. Again, it is C. They have changed it to percentage. And K007, it is A, percentage. It is correct only. So this is the customer discount. Material discount, customer discount, and customer material discount. So see here, material discount, customer material discount, and customer discount. So this is all about the positive. If it is a positive, that is revenues to us. Negative means it is minus from our pocket. So company's pocket, they will give us. They will give the discount to the end customer. Next one is group condition. So group condition is very, very important. Group condition will be applicable to the group of materials. Okay, before going to that one, condition type, positive means revenues. Condition type, negative means deductions from the base price. So next, group condition. Group condition, it is applicable to group of customers or group of materials. For example, I wanted to give a special discount for some of the materials. That means material 1 belongs to material group A1. Okay, material 2 A1, material 3 A3. Okay, so material
A2 వస్తుంది. Material group లో A2 వస్తుంది.
లేదు I have wantedly have given A1.
Okay.
So material 1, suppose material group A1 quantity, material group A1 quantity is equal to 100, then extra 10% discount. Fine. This is the scenario. So customer has ordered material 1 50, material 1 35, material 2 75, and material 3 25. So material 3 is 25, but the discount, extra discount is applicable on this group only, not to this. A3 group we are not considering. We are going to consider the system, not we. The system will consider the material group A1 and it will search for the materials, associated materials, and how much quantity it is. It is 110 quantity, 110 quantity. So he will get extra discount 10%. So that means whatever the group condition has been maintained over there. So based on that one, the system will identify the values and then it will determine into the sales order. You got it now, Vinath, why I have given A1?
సార్ ఇది ఇప్పుడు జాయింట్ గా తీసుకోవాలి, సపరేట్ గా తీసుకోవాలి. ఇప్పుడు మీరు A1 రెండింటికి A1 ఇచ్చారు కదా సార్.
Same material group. If you purchase, example, I'll give you one more example. Okay. If at all you wanted to purchase in Reliance, if you go to a Reliance supermarket and you wanted to purchase 10 Godrej soaps,
okay,
and 10 same Godrej company, one more product, Godrej lotion.
Okay, understood.
Same material, then you are eligible to receive 10% extra.
Okay. Sir, when we get 1+1, that comes under free of charge. So.
That is free of charge. That is again free of charge. We will see in the free goods determination.
Okay.
So group condition and group condition routine. So the system will tell that in this routine will tell the system which routine to be used. If it is a routine number 1, it will consider the system. It will consider the document value, total document value. If it is 3, then it will consider the group of materials value. It will go again. So group condition routine. So if you specify the group condition routine here, if it is routine number 1, then the system always calculates on the total document value. If it is routine number 3, it will take the material pricing group. So based on that one group of materials, it will consider. Otherwise, it will consider the total document value. So normally 99.9% of the clients which I have seen, I have never seen these values has been maintained in the any of the pricing condition type in the system. But however, we must know the functionality of this. So rounding difference comparison. F1 will go. So this indicator controls whether rounding difference is settled for group conditions with a group key routine. So if the indicator is set, the system compares the condition value at header level with the total of the condition values at item level. So that means if the two line items value reaches 100 plus quantity, here we have seen now the same example. If the two line items quantity reaches 100%, 100 quantity, then this particular material group is eligible to receive extra 10% discount. So that is what here it is written.
This discount happens when the material reaches 100 and up.
Yes. If suppose, if it is like the quantity or 25 or 65. What is the quantity? 90. So in 90, it won't get value. It won't be falling under this slab so that it will not get the discount.
Okay, sir.
Got it? Very good. Next. Just a minute. Someone is knocking the door. So whenever the same material group you are purchasing, then only you are eligible to receive the discount. That is what group condition means. So one more thing is group condition is like sometimes header discount also will be there. The header discount condition types HA00 percentage HB00 value. So in this scenario, HA00 and HB00 percentage as well as value. Suppose if there are 3 line items in the sales order. Header percentage discount 10%. And fixed value is 3,000 for example. This 10% will be deducted from the total value. The total value of these 3 materials is around 10,000 rupees. And into 10%. How much? It is, the discount is 1,000 rupees.
1,000.
So this 1,000 is applicable to all the 3 line items. 3 lines and distributed proportionately. Okay. This 3,000, suppose if it is a value discount, you have given 3,000, then what happens? This 3,000 will be distributed to all the 3 lines. That means 1,000 rupees each. Am I correct? Now that example I wanted to show you. Header conditions will not have access sequence. Yesterday also we have discussed header conditions will not have access sequence. So in this scenario,
sir, that means it is only applicable to line items.
Header. It is not line item. It is applicable to header.
Only header.
Yeah, only header. I'm just going to VA01 section JAOR, JABA, JA, and JA. So he is the customer. Sorry. Now, I'll take this material, 1 unit only, okay? And consider this as one more material. So assume that this is a second material. I'm giving the same one, but assume that it is a second material and third material. Every line item, the pop-up message will come because we have maintained the quotation messages at the sales document header level. Am I correct? So now you can see 21,000 rupees. So if I go there, okay, sorry, I will go to the item level, conditions. Here, the price is 7,000 rupees. And I wanted to include header condition. Shall I include here or shall I include at header level? Where should I include? Here or there?
Header level.
If I include here, what happens?
It won't take, sir.
So it won't take.
The condition is header level condition. We have to include it header level.
Okay. Now what happens? Let us see. Condition HA00 is not allowed as item condition. Now the system is telling that HA00 is header condition. Correct? Am I correct?
Yes.
So I'm going back. Go to header. This is the header. Double click. Go to conditions. Click on insert button. Now specify HA00 and 10%. So it is total value is 21,000. 10% of 21,000 is 2,100. That means each line item 700 it should distribute. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Correct or not?
Yes, yes.
So why the value has not come here? We have given 10%. The system has accepted. But why this is not showing? Don't worry.
Sir, అది మీరు ఇంకా దాన్ని మన దాంతో merge కాలేదు.
No. So please continue in English only.
Okay.
Activate. So if you click on activate button, it will show that 2,100 is a discount. Now on the net document value that has been deducted. Come back. Now go to the each and every line item. Check this. See, each and every line item also it is showing, though we have entered at item level, but the system is also showing at line item level how much percentage has been distributed to each and every line item. So per line item, 700 rupees discount has come. For the line item 10, 20, 700 rupees, and 30 also 700 rupees. This is how it will distribute. This is the one thing. And one more thing, let me go to the header. I will remove this. And why the system has allowed us to remove that also I will tell you. And why it will not allow also that will also I will tell you. I removed it. Now, I wanted to give the HB00 fixed value. HB00 3,000. So I have given value, only value I have given. Please observe everyone. Here there is no value has come. Click on activate button. Now 3,000 has been deducted. 3,000 header discount has come. So that this 3,000 we have to adjust. That means it will be proportionately given to the each and every line item. Like I'll go to the conditions of line item data. You can see for each line item it is 1,000 rupees distributed. So if the number of line items are there 10 line items, you have given 1,000 rupees. Then how much it will be distributed? 100 rupees to each line item. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
And one more doubt we need.
Sir,
sir,
sir, we should enter this manually discount or we should maintain in the document also.
That's what I was telling the same thing. We should have this doubt, and what that doubt I have to clarify. So that is what I'm about to tell you. You asked me. So why we are not maintaining the pricing condition record for header and header discount condition types? Let me go to VK11, specify HA00. Just press enter. The system will throw an error. Observe. What is this, Vinith? This is the doubt which you had, no?
There are no access sequence for condition type HA00.
That means
Access sequence we didn't maintain.
for which access sequence will be there?
For pricing.
No, access sequence will be there for which condition types?
Item condition.
Item conditions. So that is what we have seen now. Just a minute, someone is. For header conditions, there won't be any access sequence. Hence, the system will not allow you to create the condition record. Only item conditions, you can create the condition record because it will have the access sequence, and in the access sequence, there are multiple condition tables will be available. For those conditions, key combination tables, we can create the condition record. So you got it now, Vinith. That was your doubt. Why can't you maintain a condition? Record for header condition types.
Okay.
Is there any that is the doubt or any other thing?
No, sir, that was all.
Yeah, that's before you are going to get that doubt, because the same the doubt was raised by someone else. That's why I thought that you will also raise it. Fine, no issue. This is how the header conditions will work. See now, next one is changes which can be made. Changes which can be made. Here, there are important fields like this is the item condition. If you select it is header condition, it will that is applicable to header values. See, if you go to HA00, where is that one? Okay. HA00, HB00. So you can see here HA00, it is applicable as a group condition. That is why it is distributing that amount to the group of materials. You got my point now? And also it is a header condition. Hence, it is allowing us to enter at header only. It is not item condition because it is not having any access sequence. Got my point, Vinit? So also during the sales order creation, I can delete the header condition. I can delete the header condition because first I'm deleting it. It got deleted. Now here, because the option is checked here, delete. If I don't check this and save it, so now let me go on then create a sales order with the HA00 condition type and try to delete. So normally this and all normally I won't show, but however you people see, because you are going very fast in the fast track, you must know this. That is why I'm giving it whatever the each and everything is important to you, relevant to you, that I'm giving you. See, don't rely on anyone else, rely on yourself. Whatever I'm explaining you along with the real-time scenarios only. So if you practice and if you go through the recordings and if you read my material, I'm going to give you so much of information afterwards. In couple of days, I'm going to give you very good material again, table-wise, field-wise, everything I'll give you, transaction code-wise, everything I'll give you. So I'll make your job very easy, but only thing is you have to improvise the quality of practice. So now I'm going to header level. Which condition type we have taken? HB00. Okay.
Sir, ikkada item condition ichi header condition tick cheyaleda appudu item condition lo item level lo sir.
No, it won't take.
Okay.
Because access sequence is not there, no?
Okay. ఓకే.
See,
ఆ యాక్సెస్ సీక్వెన్స్ కంపల్సరీ ఉండాలి ఐటమ్ లైన్.
earlier it was not delete option. No, now it is. I have selected this option. I forgot. Sorry. So now I am going to the header conditions. What is this? Display mode or change mode? I'm giving HB00 3,000 rupees. HB00 3,000 rupees and activate. So now I have checked the option do not delete in the header item condition. This is the option which I have selected. So let us see if I try to delete it. Why it is not coming any options here? Since I have selected that option, go to conditions. See, earlier it was coming as header level. Insert row was coming, no? I don't know why it has gone. Okay, let me delete this. Let me remove this option. Again, I will go and create the sales order. Okay. What happened here? Suddenly, we have not done any changes. Header, go into header conditions. Here, there was insert option. It was not there now. Okay. HA00, okay, activate. But still, the deletion indicator, if I select this, something is wrong. I just log off. Again, I will log in. PA01. So what has happened here? I have shown initial it was coming up with the insert row.
అవును సార్.
So now what has happened? Suddenly it has gone.
అక్కడ మైనస్ సైన్ లాగా ఉంది, అదే నా
No, like this at item level. If I go to item level, here you can see the insert. No,
అవును సార్.
the same was there in header level also. No,
ఓకే.
earlier it was there. No, in the screen. Fine. Okay, no issues. Let me go to the other thing. B/06 to go to the condition types. select your own condition type JR1. Select condition type K004 WST HA00 HP00. Condition type JR1. Yeah. HV00 header condition, item condition, it is there. Like HV00, it is available as group condition also. Now let us go to our JR1. This is the condition type. Very, very important. Please remember this one, manual entries. So there are 4 options available. Number 1, A stands for free, B stands for automatic entry has got priority, C stands for manual entry has got priority, and D is not possible to process manually. So always remember, so this is one of the options why if it is manual entry has got priority, what happens at line item level, sometimes the user can change the prices, but it is not allowing because we have maintained the pricing condition record already. So that is why if the pricing condition record is not there, then it will allow you to enter the value here, 9,000 rupees. Hence remember the manual entries to automatic entries. I'm just going to put it as not possible to process manually. Let us save it. Now go back and then create sales order again. So this one, I'm going to the item. See here, see everything is graded out. Earlier it was not graded out. Am I correct? In the previous screen, it was editable mode. It was in the editable mode. Now it is grayed out. The system will not. So this is the one of the controls to the end user. One of the controls to the end user. That is why we have given. I'll try one more time conditions. Yeah, now it has come, you see?
Yes, sir.
Something. No problem. Let it be. It has come anyhow because I was worried. Something, some testing, ABAP consultants will be there. No, they will be doing some sort of a testing. Next. So let it be. I'll keep it as C, and then I'll explain the complete process. Save it. So when it is C, if it is manual entry has got priority, then the system will allow you to delete even if you select the delete option also. Yeah. Delete. I have selected the delete option. So okay, before going to go to that one, let me go to the item conditions of this particular sales order. I will try to delete it. Condition JR1 cannot be processed manually, so it will not allow you to delete it. Number 1. Here I have selected the delete option. That means we can delete this during the sales order processing. I will create a sales order again. So now let me go to these conditions and let me try to delete it. Sorry. So it is not deleting, it is not allowing because this is a base condition type and also it is having the pricing condition record. So that is why it is not allowing you to delete it. However, one more condition type like our discount, material discount, okay, percentage. Hey, I have changed it to quantity, no? Who is going and changing here? One minute. Hello. See, I have selected customer risk C quantity and it is saving. Someone is making, this is a new, this is a standard condition types and fine. This is the K005 or K004. All these discount condition types, you can see the delete indication is selected. I wanted to remove this deletion indicator and go to this K004. Delete indication is there. I am going to give this sales order K004 500 rupees, 5%. So 500 rupees, it is coming as percentage on automatically. Something wrong. So I have selected quantity. Let me go to 3A01 again. But don't worry. I wanted to show you the deletion of the item condition. So JR1, it is now, since it is a manual entry has got priority. So it is like, see, manual entry has got priority. It is in the graded out. We can make the changes, but however, it will not allow you because there is a pricing condition record. So I'm inserting K004, 100 rupees. Yes, now you can see 500 rupees minus. Earlier it was 500% it was coming. 500% discount. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Now you see I am selecting this and clicking on the delete button. It will be deleted. You can see because there is a deletion indicator. If I remove this deletion indicator and save, again every time we have to go back and create /n PA01. Go back to the item conditions. Here 70,000, yes, so 10 into 7, 70,000 is the condition value. Condition amount is single quantity. And I'm just inserting K004 as 10,000 rupees. So 10,000 I have given. So how much the price? Okay. 1,000 rupees discount I'll give. Then 10 into 1,000, 10,000 rupees. If you minus 70,000 minus 60,000, sorry, 70,000 minus 10,000, 60,000 is the value the system is calculating. So please, I'll just explain you again here. I have given 10,000 rupees. The pricing of this material itself is 7,000. If I give 10,000, it is minus 3,000 loss we are selling. So hence, I have given 1,000 rupees discount. So one item, one quantity, it is 1,000. We have given 10 each. 10 into 1,000, 10,000 rupees. So the total document value is, condition value is 70,000 minus 10. The rebate basis, everything, if you consider, it is 60,000 rupees. Okay. So now I wanted to remove this, whether it allows us or not, you just see. It is allowing even if you delete it also. K004. Okay. Because here there is no limitation selected. This trial also I will do that. Whether it works or not, we will see. This is the permutations and combinations, Abhi, we have to try from your end. So whatever I have explained here, you try. Why Sir has tried this one? Why this combination he has not tried? The same way you also have to practice it in the system. Insert. So 500 and select this, try to delete. It will delete. That means, yeah. That means some more setting or something in the background. They are doing something. So.
Sir, ఇది యాక్టివేటెడ్ ఉంటే delete కదా, యాక్టివేటెడ్ లేకపోతే delete కాదు.
Select. Let me give F1 here. Indicate that controls whether the condition type may be deleted from the document. Delete the scope for changing rate. Okay, let me give this delete option. Let us try. This is the last trial. Then we will go to the other. I have entered this. Save it. Go back to the change mode. Now I'll try to delete it. Okay. Something is wrong in the system. Fine. Let us not waste our time. Manual entry has got priority. So when this entry is there for this standard pricing condition type, so we can make this is item condition. By default, we will come to know. So we are not going to select the delete option because it is a standard pricing condition type. Base price is required. Here you can see amount or percentage value. So whenever there is a manual entries or has priority, then in the system, you can change the amount or percentage, value, quantity relation, and calculation type also. Let me save all these. And a step one more time, I'll create a sales order. I'll show you everything. I'm going to the conditions. Here, it can be changed the amount or value. amount or percentage or value can be changed. So that means 70,000 to I'll give 90,000. Whether it takes or not, we will see. So it is not taking because of the pricing condition record, which we have maintained it for 7,000 rupees. So I'll try one more final touch. So it is not accepting because the pricing condition record is already maintained. Number one. Number two, value also we cannot change. Quantity relation and calculation type. So whenever the quantity we can, if it is a what you call the conversion factors, suppose 10 each, for example, I can remove here. Here, okay, here I'll try. What is this? So this stands for we can manually change the quantity relation whenever the unit of measure changes, and also we can change the calculation type. This one, let us see if it doesn't work, then we have to wait till tomorrow. So select this, go to details. Here, yes, now it is working. Quantity to, this is always calculated based on the quantity. If I make it as a percentage and then just come back, so it will consider it as a percentage value. So during the sales order processing, so we can change it to the calculation type from quantity to percentage value also. So that is allowed in the system because of the quantity and calculation type. Suppose if I remove this, save it. Let me go back to the sales order creation again. Select this, go to details. See, it is now graded out. It is not allowing us to change the change it to the percentage. So during the sales order processing, if at all you wanted to do it, you can do it based on these values. So normally it will not be always active. So okay. So if it is activated through the manual entries, these can be changed in the system. That is why manual entry has got priority. If you give C, then it will not allow. And if it is D, so do not process manually anything, everything we cannot maintain and we cannot change. So this will become graded out when you create a sales order. Everything will be graded out. See, everything is graded out. Go to details. See, it is also graded out. So everything, percentage, quantity also, unit of measure also, we cannot make any kind of a changes because of the manual entries. Entries has got priority, we have removed, and we have kept the not possible to process manually. Okay, up to this, okay. So we will see the master data, scales, and control data. Master data and scales, these two we will see in tomorrow's session, so that you will completely understand. So when we start in tomorrow's session, right from the beginning till the end, we will complete up to this, what exactly each and every field value and its meaning of the functionality, its functionality of this particular time. So why? Because I am taking time. So let us try, because any ABAP program is running behind, or any ABAP consultant has included some coding part. So that is why sometimes it is not working for us. So let us wait till tomorrow. If it is the same, then we will continue, don't worry. So this entire thing we will discuss in our tomorrow session.